Now we have different emulators, Nintendo, Super Mario, Game Boy Advance, Xbox, and more. What we need is dot in here. All games. Let's check what games we have. How to choose. Says user emulator. Okay, we have Bomberman, my favorite. Okay, that's cool. Let's go to Mega Drive. Okay. We'll try to install more games in it later on, but right now it's some games that are already good. Uh, nice music. Let's try something that we install.
Okay, let's start the tutorial. Today we'll install something that is known as Batocera. Batocera is a Linux operating system that runs for gaming purpose. It's like a gaming emulator. So what you need, I'll provide the files in description. One is ISO and the other is this making USB tool. So both are provided in the description. You can download it. First you have to install this app and wait till it install. Okay, here we go. After installation it will pop up like this. Now you have to choose from first option. First you have to click on here and then you choose the ISO image that is provided to you that from the description. Okay, here is our image. I'm gonna choose it. After that you plug your USB, make sure it's blank and it's above like 16 GB. Okay, it will ask you administration rights when you click on it. So click yes, and there you go. Your USB making process is started. I'll be back once it's done because it will take time. Depends on the speed of your system and your USB.
A few moments later.
Okay, we are back. Our USB is done, so let's plug it with our system and boot from our USB. In my case, it's F12. If you click it and maybe press it, so here you go. Your USB will be here. Choose the USB and it will boot from the USB menu. There are different menus. You have to choose your device. Okay, here we go. Our installation process is start. First, we will install the Batocera on our hard drive. As you can see, in my case, I have two different drive on this laptop. One I'm using for this emulator, and other I'm using for the Windows. So both are working differently. Make it 100%. Okay, after that it will boot, and the first boot is pretty much slow, so don't worry, just wait. Fast forward. Okay, better see the logo again. Working. If you are new to our channel, you can like, subscribe, share, and join us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter as well. Okay, our Batocera is now opening. Later video will guide you how to add more games to this emulator, as you can install as many games as your drive size is. Okay, my Batocera is like done.
Now we have different emulators, Nintendo, Super Mario, Game Boy Advance, Xbox, and more. What we need is dot in here. All games. Let's check what games we have. How to choose. Says use your emulator. Okay, we have Bomberman, my favorite. And okay, that's cool. Let's go to Mega Drive. Oh, we'll try to install more games in it later on, but right now it's some games that are really good. Uh, Nice music. Let's try something that we. If you play this game, just let me know, and we'll install more games later on. I'll show you later. Thanks for watching. Or like this one. That's all.